Pelican 0340 Case Review. Ultimate Waterproof, Crushproof Gear Protection. Frustrated with fragile equipment constantly getting damaged during transport or storage? Struggling with cases that leak, crush under pressure, or fail to protect your valuable gear leaves you anxious and exhausted? Every trip or job becomes a gamble, as fragile cameras, drones, tools, or electronics seem vulnerable to the smallest mishap. It's stressful, inconvenient, and costly. The pain intensifies with every flight, field assignment, or job site visit. Missed shots, damaged tools, or compromised electronics feel unbearable. Even careful handling doesn't prevent accidents. Pressure changes, rain, dust, or bumps can ruin expensive equipment. The worry lingers, and each fragile shipment adds stress. You need a solution that guarantees protection and peace of mind, without compromise. Enter the Pelican 0340 case with foam, black, a compact, ultra-tough protective solution for sensitive gear. Constructed from HPX² polymer, it's crushproof, dustproof, and watertight, with a patented automatic pressure equalization valve that balances air pressure without letting water in. Its Pick N Pluck foam allows fully customizable interiors for snugly fitting cameras, drones, tools, or electronics, while 6 double-throw latches create a secure O-ring seal. Stainless steel padlock protectors add extra security, and spring-loaded handle plus caster wheels enable effortless mobility. The lifetime guarantee underscores Pelican's confidence in durability. One user shared, "I dropped my case from a truck bed, and my drone came out untouched. Foam did its magic perfectly." Ideal for professionals and enthusiasts, from photographers to engineers, travelers, and field technicians. The 0340 blends portability, protection, and convenience. Every design element, from foam customization to watertight sealing, ensures gear remains safe in even the harshest conditions. Lightweight yet rock solid, it's a case you can trust to survive the journey while keeping your valuables secure. The Pelican 0340 case delivers peace of mind and unmatched protection with style and reliability. Industry analysts praise it as the benchmark for small protective cases, citing its perfect balance of compact size and maximum durability. The HPX² polymer construction withstands crushing, impacts, and environmental hazards, while the Pick N Pluck foam creates a tailored interior for virtually any equipment. Influencers in photography and fieldwork highlight its watertight seal, robust latches, and stainless steel padlock protectors as lifesavers for high-value gear. One expert noted, "It survived drops, trucks, and submersion tests. Contents remained pristine." Users rave about mobility, saying the caster wheels and spring-loaded handle make transport effortless, while another commented, "I travel weekly with delicate test equipment, and this case has never let me down." The automatic pressure equalization valve ensures easy opening regardless of altitude or temperature changes. Whether safeguarding drones, cameras, tools, or electronics, the 0340 combines thoughtful engineering with rugged design. Its lightweight yet crush-proof body, customizable foam, watertight seal, and lifetime guarantee provide complete assurance that gear is protected from bumps, moisture, dust, or accidental drops. Professionals, travelers, and enthusiasts repeatedly cite it as indispensable for reliable, worry-free equipment transport. Don't risk your valuable gear. Upgrade to the Pelican 0340 case with foam today. With crushproof HPX² polymer, watertight sealing, customizable Pick N Pluck foam, secure latches, and stainless steel padlock protection, it's the ultimate safeguard for cameras, drones, tools, and electronics. Limited stock is available, so act now. Join thousands of satisfied users who trust Pelican for reliable transport and storage. Secure yours today and experience worry-free protection, mobility, and confidence wherever your gear takes you.